Hello, welcome to McDonald's. What do you want to order?
Dobrý, můžu cheeseburger and velké hranolky?
What?
He's training his Czech on you.
Well, where did he learn it from?
He learned his Czech on some YouTube tutorials.
Poslouchej, jestli ty umíš česky, tak se to aspoň nauč z Duolinga a ne z nějakých stupidních YouTube tutoriálů. Jakože není to tak těžké jít prostě do té aplikace Google Play, nebo jak se to jmenuje, já nevím, já nepoužívám Android. A stáhnout si tu aplikaci s tou zelenou sovou.
What language was that?
Oh. And wait, before you scroll, give me some Roblox animation ideas because I have no idea what to make.